Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the THOSAF, hope I'm pronouncing it right, Damaged Screw Extractor Set, and 3 reasons why you need this item. Reason number 1, this will work with any drill and just about any screw size or bolt they're saying in the 3 to 12 millimeter range. Now, the nice thing with this is you don't have to worry about having to get one of these matched to a specific drill set or drill. Reason number 2, it's durable and easy to remove any damaged screw. Now, the trick to this is made with a high-speed steel, so it's made to work. All the directions you need are in the lid. Can't make it much easier than that. No more excuses of, well, I don't know how to do this right. Can't find the instructions. They were smart and just put this on a sticker inside the lid, which is also reason number 3 that I walked into, that you don't have to worry about misplacing the instructions. Short story is you put your drill into counterclockwise, and that's really the secret, because think of it, if you try to go clockwise, you're further pushing it in, so you really don't want to do that, and you want to do everything you can to back it out. So remember, counterclockwise. So this is something well worth having, and if you have a bit or two along the way that goes bad, you can just get another one. You start with the bit on the bottom that will ream out or clear out the screw area, and then you go in with the other end, and that grabs in and takes a bite into the middle and gives you a shot at getting the screw out. This supposedly can be used on bolts, but I've always used it on screws. That's generally where more of my luck has gone. So take a look at this one and think about adding it to your collection today.